Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a quick walk around look at this 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution GSR. It's painted in wicked white and has a black cloth Recaro front bucket seats. This does have a lot of accessories. It has the aero kit, includes the front lip spoiler, the side air dams, the rear lip spoiler, also has the brake air guides, and the accessory side wind deflectors. This does have the Michelin Pilot Sport 245/40 ZR18s, and it has the graphite alloy wheels and Brembo brakes. It's an APR performance body kit. It's all carbon fiber. It does have the rear air dam with the dual exhaust. Alright, the engine is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo Myvec direct injection. It is a turbocharged. Inside we have power windows, power mirrors, and power door locks. Manual seat back adjustments. They are the Recaro bucket seats. Alright, inside we have steering wheel mounted audio controls, Bluetooth controls. We also have your cruise control buttons as well. Has a 9,000 RPM tachometer, as you can see here. Also has a center LCD trip computer. This vehicle has 33,048 miles on it. 190 mile an hour speedometer. AM/FM stereo CD player. You also have your automatic climate control. It's a 5-speed manual. It has a Momo shift knob on it. Already in the back seat, same black cloth seats. It also has a fold-down center armrest with integrated cup holders. Trunk space is pretty generous. You do have your fills for your washer fluid, and your battery storage is in the trunk as well.